Qwen 3.6 Plus is free and was recently released. This model seems to be better than Claude Opus. So in this video, I will show you how to get access to Qwen 3.6 Plus for free and without limits. And then we will test it and compare it to Claude Opus. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to not miss the next videos, like this video to support the channel, and the most important, join our AI newsletter. It's completely free and you will receive the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you will receive the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Before I show you how to get access to Qwen 3.6 Plus, I have to show you the benchmark of this model. On this image, you clearly see that Qwen 3.6 Plus is one of the best and almost the best in every benchmark. One of the models that is as good as Qwen 3.6 Plus is Claude Opus. So now, in order to get access to Qwen 3.6 Plus for free and unlimited, you will have to go on this website. Once on the website, you have to go on sign up, and then you can create an account with GitHub, Google, MetaMask, or just an email. So I go with Google, and now the account has been created. So now you have to go on model, then go on the search bar, then write Qwen, and here you see Qwen 3.6 Plus free. So you have to click on it. So you see that you have a context of 1 million, and also for 1 million input tokens and 1 million output tokens, it's $0. And now you can use Qwen 3.6 Plus for free. So now we are going to test Qwen 3.6 Plus. So I added a prompt in order to create a guide covering the first 10 most known Yu-Gi-Oh cards. So I enable web search and I launch the generation. So now I go on Claude AI and then I paste the same prompt. So now we have the first result for Qwen 3.6 Plus. As you can see, the website is really good. We have all the categories, and the most important is that we have the most iconic cards of Yu-Gi-Oh! However, we have few problems. For example, there are some images that are unavailable, but except this problem, it's really good. Now let's watch Claude results. We also have categories with monster, spell and trap, and we see that the cards are much better, and also these cards are the 10 most iconic cards of Yu-Gi-Oh! And if you click on a card, you will have the attack, the defense and the level, and you will also have the description of the card and a background. So for this one, Claude Opus was really better. So now let's test with a second prompt. So now I'm going to ask to build a 3D map of Paris. So now we start with Qwen 3.6 Plus, and I launch the same prompt with Claude Opus. So now we have the result with Qwen 3.6 Plus, and as you can see, it's really great. It's the same thing that Google Map, so we can zoom in, we can zoom out. We also have the sidebar on the left, and if we click on Eiffel Tower, it will completely go on the Eiffel Tower. And now we have the result for Claude Opus. So as you can see, if I go on the map, the icons directly go on the left and they disappear. And if I click on the Eiffel Tower, we directly go on the Eiffel Tower, but it is only an emoji icon. And now we go on the last test to recreate the Flappy Bird game, but replace the bird by a basketball. We click on create artifact and we select 3D game. And now we do the same thing with Claude Opus. On Qwen 3.6 Plus, we see that we have a preview error, so we have to try to fix it, but unfortunately it doesn't work. So here we have the result on Claude Opus, so we can play it. And as you can see, Claude Opus succeeded to recreate the Flappy Bird game with a basketball instead. So for this one, Claude Opus was the best. As you saw in this video, the benchmark for Qwen 3.6 Plus were much higher than Claude Opus. However, out of 3 tests, only one was better than Claude Opus. So in my opinion, Claude Opus is better than Qwen 3.6 Plus for the moment. However, there are some use cases that are really better with Qwen 3.6 Plus. For example, creating a map as I did in the example. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.